Xiaomi Redmi all Android smartphone. Pattern, password, finger, unlock very easy without any computer or laptop. Pattern, password, finger, Gmail unlock. First try, any device is blocked, then power off this device. Power off, then wait 15 seconds. Wait 15 seconds. Then volume up and power key. Press volume up and power key. Press volume up and power key. Then release power button after logo. Then volume down, web data selected, then power key, then web all data selected. Then press volume key, then volume down, then power. Confirm, formatted. All data delete, all option, then back, then reboot this device, then reboot. Okay, after 3 minutes for finishing this setup. This phone is Redmi 12. Deleted all account. Delete all account. MI account, Gmail account, all account and data deleted this phone.
গরুর বাজার যদি আজকে দেখতেন
Xiaomi Redmi, Xiaomi Hyper. Then next, select language. Setting region. Region selected, then next, after next, escape, escape. More, accept, escape. No any data, no Wi-Fi selected, not connected Wi-Fi. Then bypassing. Preparing setup. Then completed. Setup completed. Okay. No any account. This phone is Redmi 12. Okay.